Hello everyone, welcome to the Love More Projects video on how to manage our miscreation energy and how to correct our manifestation missteps. Try saying that a couple times fast. It's not easy. So the angels have given me this wonderful four-step technique that I've been using to clear up my own miscreation energy for the last several weeks, and they've given me the go-ahead to share this with you. So I'm really excited to bring this forward. While it sounds easy, the actual technique is a little bit more challenging because it does really require us to take an honest inventory of our life and take responsibility for our actions. And in fact, that's one of the steps in the really cool acronym that they gave me for this four-step process, which is REAL. So it's time to learn how to get real and clear up our manifesting mishaps. So as I mentioned, the first step in getting real and clearing up that miscreation energy is to take responsibility. We need to take ownership for what is being presented in our space, good or bad, and to acknowledge that yes, in some time frame or dimension, we may have possibly released the energy that is now coming back to us. Remember, we've all experienced thousands of lifetimes in thousands of dimensions. So there is that minute chance that maybe somewhere out there you release this energy into the universe and now it's coming back to you. Now, this isn't an opportunity for us to play victim or to get into the blame game. That's exactly the opposite. Instead, this is a wonderful, empowering opportunity to look at what we've created and how we played a role in creating that energy, and also taking the empowering step to realize that we can change this energy. This isn't something we're stuck with for an entire lifetime or maybe even more, but it's actually something that we can clear. So this is the second step of the process. Once we've taken responsibility for all the energy in our space and all that is being created in our space, then we turn to the empowered approach, and we really offer gratitude for the opportunity and willingness that we have to change, for the empowered stance that we have. Hey, we're aware that something's not working and we now have the opportunity to change it, and we can move forward in a freer capacity to explore our life and to create what it is that we do want in our life. So we've taken responsibility, we've decided to be empowered by this opportunity and to really move forward in our power and our integrity. So what's the third step in getting real? We want to make amends. Again, we don't want to fall into victim or blame mentality, and this applies just as much to ourselves as it does for everything else in our space. So we want to just say to ourselves, whoops, I made a mistake. Again, in some time frame or dimension, I released this energy that's now coming back to me to be cleared, and whoops, I made a mistake. Error in thinking, my bad, I own it, and I can do something about it. So we want to take a really forgiving approach, a compassionate approach in ourselves. We don't want to bully ourselves or start getting into a blame game with ourselves and we should have known better, we should have done better. We didn't. Whoops. But now we know we've taken responsibility, we're taking the empowered approach, so we're actually going to do something about it, and we're going to be gentle and easy and forgiving of ourselves for the error that we did create. Now, moving forward, the fourth step in terms of getting real goes hand in hand with this forgiveness aspect and this more gentle approach that we're taking with ourselves, and that is love. So we want to be loving to ourselves. We want to send ourselves love and forgiveness and to fill ourselves up with these compassionate, kind, gentle emotions. So once we're filled with love and we're feeling nurtured and nourished by our own ability to self-love, then we send love out into the circumstance or relationship, whatever that miscreation energy is that we're trying to change. We send love out, and wouldn't you know it, it works like those magical little scrubbing bubbles on TV, and it clears up all that grimy miscreation energy, and it allows that to be dissolved, and it moves us forward into a higher vibration and allows us to create what it is that we really desire in our life. So there you have it. 4 easy steps to clear up your miscreation energy. Again, let's get real. Take responsibility. Allow yourself to see this as an empowering opportunity. Make amends. Forgive yourself. Let go of any blame or victim mentality that you're putting on yourself. And then offer love to yourself and the situation. and allow yourself to bask in the glory of how easy it is to turn an icky situation around into one that is your true heart's desire. Thank you so much for allowing me to share this message with you today. It's been a great pleasure. Blessings and namaste. Have a beautiful day, everyone.